21st Century Expeditions here. Today I'm out here at Lake Apopka North Shore. This is actually the Green Mountain Scenic Byway section. Now I'm entering the actual restoration area, the Lake Apopka North Shore. Got a gravel road, so it's easy navigation. Nice and shady in this part of the trail. Looks like they have some duck boxes out here. Got us like a green tree snake here. They're nice little snakes, perfectly harmless. Guess he's out here trying to get some sun on this cool afternoon. Got a little bridge over the canal here. It leads to a small little observation tower. Have some elderberry on the trail here. This is a particular berry is used to make jelly and wine. A little astringent, but it doesn't taste bad at all. That's a view of some of the filters they use to clean the lake water. They filter it through here. This is one of the areas. I'm not exactly sure what they used to do, or they might be some kind of section to catch the water so they can test it. Looks like some of the filters here, they got a pump running for the Lake Apopka restoration. Down here there's an alligator basking in the sun here. Some of the pumps they use to clean the water. Looks like they use aluminum sulfate as a chemical. Look at this lake from Google Earth and it's green. All the other lakes in the state of Florida are actually blue. Looks like these black vultures got himself a turtle for dinner. Got us a nice view of Lake Apopka here. So we have a nice sized alligator swimming there. Got an anhinga roosting there, drying his feathers. Gator keeping an eye on me here. You can kind of see the Green Mountain area off in the distance there. We got a coyote running down the road here, kind of far from him. Have a grand view of Lake Apopka here. As I aforementioned, this is I think the third largest lake in the state of Florida. It was polluted by over-fertilization of the orange groves they had here with DDT. But at one time, I guess back in the early 1900s, this used to be a really popular, world-renowned fishing place, sport fishing place. I've seen some of the pictures of the catch that people used to go out and 20 minutes later they come back with a stringer full of quality fish.